My name is Mike Lepico. I work on the architecture team. I'm the architecture project coordinator. A little bit about what I do is a mix of retail and large developments. So throughout the course of 3 years that I've been working here, I've worked on smaller retail spaces like Nike store size and sort of worked my way up into larger developments such as Monroe blocks. Then the architecture team, you have the ability to work between small-scale developments, large-scale developments. You're working with other architects, other engineers that we hire on. So we act as the designer, the consultant, and the liaison. Here, our team's working on everything. It's either city modern, where you're doing larger neighborhoods, north of the CBD, and then at the same time you have large developments like Monroe blocks, Hudson site, Shinola Hotel, which is a little bit smaller, and then you get down to like the Nike stores and Design 139 where you have those installations. So it's a huge balance of large scale to small scale, extremely fast paced and very strategic and long-term vision planning. It's not just a job, it's not just doing what our leaders ask us to do, it's for the betterment of the city.